Hey, welcome to OK Let's Go RV. My name is Scott. My wife Ellen is usually with me, but she's traveling for work this week, so I'm just here alone with my dog Harley, who's over there resting after a long day of naps. So, our channel, OK Let's Go RV, we named that because a few years ago, Ellen and I were discussing what we're going to do for retirement, and we said, OK, let's go RV, hence the name of the channel. But we're not retired. We're doing this while we're still working. And the reason we're doing that is because we can pay for it from cash flow rather than waiting for retirement and dwindle down our retirement savings and investments. And that's a long way off, and we got our health now, so we're going to do it now. So this channel is going to be about the lifestyle, how we got prepared to do it, how we do it, and to go through the United States, seeing the sights and scenes, and bring some of that to you. I want to really educate people, or at least give them pointers and help them if they're considering this lifestyle, what it took for us to get there, and maybe there's some parallels that can help you in your figuring it out for yourselves. So I've been in IT for all my life, and when I say all my life, I mean from about 16 years old. I've owned my own businesses. I consider myself pretty much an entrepreneur. I've had a very successful business. I sold it not for millions and millions of dollars, so don't think that we got that going for us. But I've been a network engineer, a network architect, and pretty much an IT generalist for most of my life. I'm very technical. I'm a very numbers guy, very analytical, and overanalyze, and I talk too much and drink too much coffee, as you're going to figure out. So in this channel, what I'll do is I'll do the general operations and maintenance on the RV, pointers of that, do the math of how much it costs to do things, towing capacities, those kinds of things, to help you do this safe if you plan to do that. I'll do product reviews and finances and all that kind of stuff. Ellen will participate as well, and what she's going to do is more on the lifestyle, both inside and outside of the rig. So those kind of things that you do in your conventional sticks and bricks, inside the RV, how you do that, the challenges there, the little nuances. It's all kind of the same, but there's always just these little things. You have space considerations, you've got maybe different cooking apparatus that you have to use and things like that. And then she'll also, her and I will go out and about, and we'll bring you some of that, some of those adventures, if you will. We'll bring that in and give you some details around that. So yeah, that's pretty much what the channel is going to be about. And we look forward to bringing that to you. Ellen is the more entertaining one of the two of us, so look forward to seeing her. So the plan is that we will do videos about once a week, maybe a little bit more frequently from time to time, and we'll do video shorts in between there to keep you entertained and kind of give you a highlight of what might be coming up. So if you think you'll be interested in that type of content, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like for this video so the algorithm picks it up, and then there's a notification bell somewhere you're going to find down there. Hit that so you're made aware of when we put up new videos. So thanks a lot for watching. We hope you come back, and we hope we serve you right. We're trying to give you value here, and we don't want to waste your time, so I talk really quick. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.